Okay, everyone, that gravy has got to the consistency that I want for it to be. And it would be wise for me to spoon this gravy over there. But baby, I'm pressed for time. I'm pressed for time. Let's just put this gravy on there. Be careful, baby. Make sure that pot doesn't slide over. Okay. Watch it, mommy. Watch it. Sorry. Okay, my darling. There is my smothered chicken. I'm gonna throw a bay leaf on top, and she's going in the oven to bake. The chicken is done. So all I really need to do is to allow that flavor of the gravy to smother in the chicken. And that's all it is, ladies, when we're doing smothered chicken, smothered pork chops, smothered whatever. There you are, my darling. My homemade dinner for Sunday is what she ready.